the amount of money it took for fuel is this amount here. As you can see. Okay, so after escaping through here, I thought I was recording, but obviously I wasn't. Get to the major interstate, which is 476, all the way down. There's traffic here, so then take that all the way down to the, it's just 95 to the 495. 495, get off here. It shows a path to cut through homes, but we're not doing that because that's where a car route on Google Maps. We'll take the Terminal Avenue, make a left there, come down, we'll go back to Trucker Path to make sure that it's high enough clearance for us to go through this way. You have 2 lanes in either direction, which is a good sign rather than just seeing 1 lane in either direction. You also have sidewalks, which is decent. You have a truck park on the side right here, so that's also a decent indication that there's enough space, but not all the time that's accurate. You see there's a drive-in and then just chassis for a trailer at the port for cargo containers over here. So also a good sign. Still 2 lanes, even though there's not that much sidewalks on some of these streets. You have a sidewalk on some, you don't on others, but it's still 2 lanes. So it's a good indication that there's still enough space. You have cars parking on the side of the road, but you still have 2 lanes on either direction. And you come down here, a little bit of traffic again. It starts to look smaller here. 1 sidewalk on the right side, on the other side there's no sidewalk. 2 lanes start to look a little bit narrower, or also smaller. And we'll go through all of this. We'll make another left turn, hang it right once we get through here, and this is the pickup location. So the pickup location isn't horrible. So hopefully that helped.